We have very strong positive momentum on the 4 hours. We have strong positive momentum, on the 1 hour. The market is moving higher, is running higher on all crypto issues, and also in Ripple. There's no point in closing out. It's as simple as that. We have very high projections, actually. We don't want to be too optimistic, but we really have very strong projections and very high projections. You're seeing, of course, a rounding bottom here on the daily, and we are definitely going to be at least testing this neckline, if not breaking out above this neckline. So you don't want to close out if you have not closed out. Your position is perfect, it's really good. Okay, we still have an extension, and on our longer term charts, if you remember, we have very lucrative. Okay, so you're looking at 1.7. all right, ultimately you're really looking at 1.7 because this is level 5 at least. Okay, so if this 1.7, this is level 5 that we're talking about, looking at 2.3 and you're looking at 2.6. There's a very strong uptrend in all cryptocurrencies, so you want to let the trade run. You even want to add to it. Okay, over here again you're looking at 1.35. This is the most immediate neckline that we're looking at right now. So this current wave we're now testing that neckline. We have, of course, broken higher. We tested 124. We're just doing a mild correction on the 1 hour charts. We're doing even a zero line rejection on the 1 hour chart. This is a daily chart. Okay, so you can see you're having, again, they call this a cup and a saucer. You can probably expect you're gonna have a complete head break above the neckline before you have any kind of shoulder. All right, so you want to add actually to that position and not close it if we're already in. So we will not cover. If there's a breakout, we do not need to cover actually. If the meaning of cover is close, other than taking your stop loss to entry. All right, we are buying into this current growth wave. We'll have a complete segregation by tomorrow. Okay, so for the time being, we just if you're okay with this, you just let the trade run. Right, so I don't think it's also necessary to add. We're already at this level, so this is of course a high degree internal 3. There's going to be a correction to the neckline. We already bought just below the neckline, so we're good as it is. We'll let the market run. All right, if you want to add, you just revert to the 5 and 15-minute charts. We're having, of course, a wedge here. Once you get positive momentum, then we could go long, or if you get a momentum extreme, we could use that to short in if we get to these levels, 1.07, but we're already there, so there's no point in, we already entered there, so there's no point in adding to our risk. Okay, we would rather just hold. We'll have a complete segregation again tomorrow for the shorter term time frames. The next, I believe that maybe by day after tomorrow, we'll have a neckline here. We'll have broken out of that level 1.21. We already have actually, I think we already have a neckline. I think we're going to be breaking out of that level to the next neckline. What we're seeing as a wedge could actually be interpreted sooner as some kind of a bull flag or some kind of a pennant. So it doesn't really, even a wedge is a bullish formation. Okay, so even if we fall to the level 1 here, we still want to protect our position, hold it. We're going, of course, I think we're going to the next neckline. It's going to be 135. Ultimately, longer term, we are going to 1.7.